#1 rated best steak marinade recipe. Is this the last steak marinade recipe you'll ever need? I'm gonna put them to the test. And let me just tell you, I hate making marinades. As a matter of fact, this recipe right here, I used to have to make it every single week to go to a competition. I thought, man, I'm just gonna have somebody make this for me. And boom, you got the mop. So what we're gonna do today is we're making Google's #1 rated steak marinade recipe. We'll see how good it is. We got 3 steaks here. We're gonna do one with Google's recipe. We're gonna do one with our recipe, and then we're gonna use the last one just as a control. No recipe, so to speak. And the rub we're gonna be using is Texas beef. Now this makes an amazing steak, but if you don't have any, use whatever you like. We're gonna put them in the fridge, let them marinate for 2 hours, rub them with Texas beef, cook them up on the Weber, and then we're gonna put them, Tommy and Chuck. We're gonna let Tommy and Chuck come up here and tell us which ones they like best. And they're not gonna know. One's gonna be the control, one's gonna be Google's #1 rated best steak marinade recipe, and the other is gonna be ours. Hey, we'll see how it turns out. So without further ado, let's just get to getting these marinated. Is it recording? All right, so it's been 2 hours, actually about 1 hour and 45 minutes. We got the steaks almost done, but we're gonna light this cooker. We're gonna be cooking them on the Weber. We're gonna be running them indirect. When them steaks hit 100 degrees, pow! We're gonna open that lid, let it get all nice and fiery in there, sear them off, and then commence the taste testing. All right, so man, these turned out phenomenal. Actually, this one, I'm not happy with it because we got the very end of the ribeye on this one right here. That's why it's a little fat New York looking strip rig, but that's okay. As you can tell, the two with the marinade in them, they came apart a little bit, but that's okay. But here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take these down and we're gonna let Tommy and Chuck test them and see which one they like the best. Now, they don't know. They don't know which one's which. They don't even know the test we're doing, to be honest with you. All right, so we're gonna go downstairs, let them taste it, and declare a winner. Let's go. All right, taste test time. All right,
Oh, that's like good.
here's the deal. 3 steaks, 3 different ways. Why you got a smirk on your face already?
I don't know. It's just always there.
Free food?
Yeah, all right.
All right.
That's a steak eating grin.
No, he's already in his head. I tell you what he's thinking. Where's the potato? So steak 1, steak 2, steak 3. Take a bite of all 3. And then I will ask you at the end, after your mouth's clear, who is the winner? Show up fingers and call it out loud. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
1.
Oh. Oh.
All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. 2. On the count of 3. Pick 1, 2, or 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I say number one had the better.
Number one, you siding with Chuck.
Yeah.
Dude, that makes it.
I don't know who I'm siding with, man.
You gotta leave, man. You gotta leave.
It's a tough choice between 1 and 3. I would eat 3 all day long. I'd eat 1 all day long. 2 is good. I'd eat it too. I mean, out of the 2, I think that one's got. It seemed like it had a little more seasoning.
We all picked steak 2. Chuck picked 1, and you picked 1. So it's still 3-2.
Yeah.
It's good either way.
He's already been. Hey, he can't break.
Your vote doesn't count though.
That's true.
So it's a tie.
All right, so since my vote actually doesn't count because I made the, I can already see in the comments below. So that is a tie. Google's #1 rated brisket, or I'm sorry, best steak marinade. You lucked out this time. Hey, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.